guys, I hope you're all doing great. For today we have scientific notation, grade 7, page 16. Okay, we have scientific notation, guys. You should know these two different words. First one, standard form. The second one, scientific notation. How we know these forms? Okay, guys, you have this number without point, without time, without base 10. It means you have standard form. I will teach you how to change standard form to scientific notation and scientific notation to standard form. But first one, look guys, you have standard form without point, without time, without base 10. But in scientific notation, look, you have a point and one number the left side, and you have multiply and base 10. Okay guys, this all notes, you should know this. Okay, then you should learn how to change it. First one, you have this question and you don't have a point, you should write yourself on the right side. And guys, if you didn't have a point, you should write the right side. Then move this point to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Okay, guys, you should write 7.00000, all of them, timey 10, exponenti 5, because 5 steps we move it. And you can write like this, 7, only 7, because all of them are zeros. Then you can write 7 times 10 exponenti 5. This is the answer. You change it, standard form to scientific notation, guys. And this question, again, we don't have a point. You should write the right side, this point, and move to the left side until 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you move it 6 times, 6 steps. Okay, 8.296 without 0, we don't need it. Timey 10 exponenti 6, because 6 times we move it. This is the scientific notation. We have a point, time, and base 10. Then we have this question, again we don't have a point, you should write. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and it's equal to 5.8, guys. Point, then time 10 exponenti 4. You get it, guys? Like this. We change it standard form to scientific notation. This question are different. We will change scientific notation to standard form. Look, we move it to the left side, right? We move it to the left side and we added time, we added base 10 and exponent. But this question are different. We have point, time, base 10. We should change to scientific notation like this. Okay, we have this point and you have multiply. It means you should move to the right side because you have multiply and exponenti 2. Okay, look, 1, 2 step, only 2 steps, because the exponent is 2. And it's equal to like this, 0.3. And guys, you don't need a time 10 or 2, we don't need it. This is the answer, and you should write this point. Okay, then this question, write this number, same, 3.2, and move this point 7 times to the right side. Look, 1 step, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Write the point. And guys, you have this space. You should write zeros, okay? How many space you have, you should write zeros. Then this is the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer without point. We don't need it. And this question, guys, you have only one step. Okay, we should move this point to the right side only one step because the exponent is 1 and it's equal to 20.01, and this is the answer. Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. For today we have order of operations, grade 7, page 20. For this lesson we should know these steps. Okay, first step, we should solve inside the parentheses, and the second one you should solve powers, third one time and divide left to right, and 4 plus and minus, or you can say adding and subtracting left to right. Question 1, we have this question, 27 minus 18 divided by 6. Okay, look, you have minus and divide. First you should solve this part because step 3 we have dividing, step 4 we have minus, so we should solve this part and write this number same, and 18 divided by 6 it's equal to 3, and 27 minus 3 it's equal to 24, and this is the answer. Question B, we have this question, and look, we have minus, divide, time and plus. Okay, minus we have in step 4, divide step 3, time step 3, and adding step 4. But first one we should solve this part because left to right, this is the first one. Then you should write all of them, and 18 divided by 2 it's equal to 9, and time 3 plus 8. Okay, then you should solve time, multiply, because step 3 we have time, then minus and plus. Okay, this is 36 minus 9 times 3, 27 plus 8. Then you should solve this part because left to right is first one. 36 minus 27 it's 9, and plus 8, the last step, it's equal to 9 plus 8, 17. This is the answer. Okay, question C, we have adding powers and time. Level step 2 we have powers, so we should solve powers. Okay, this part, 6 power 2 it means 6 times 6, and it's becoming 36, so you should write 36 times 10. Okay, and then you should solve this part because we have multiply, 5 plus 36 times 10. Okay guys, look, you have 0. Okay, you should write 0, then 1 times 36 it's equal to 36. The last step you should adding them, and it's becoming 365. This is the answer. We have two different questions. First one we have parentheses. Okay, look, we have minus, parentheses and divide. Okay, first one we should solve inside the parentheses. Okay, and you should write 36 minus, okay, 2 times 6 it's equal to 12, and write the same. Then we have minus and divide. You should solve divide first and write 36 minus 12 divide by 3 it's equal to 4, and 36 minus 4 it's equal to 32, and this is the answer. This question we have two parentheses and bracket. Look, okay, first one you should solve inside this parenthesis, not this one, because you can't do it. It will be wrong. Okay, 4 plus 12 divided by 4. You have two different order of operation, so you should solve this part first and write 4 plus 12 divided by 4 it's equal to 3, then minus 2 bracket 3. Okay, then 4 plus 3, solve this part, it's equal to 7, and you can write like this, 7, only 7 without parentheses. We don't need it. Minus 2 bracket 3. Okay, then 7 minus 2, it's equal to 5 parentheses 3, and it's like this. 5 times 5 times 5, it will be 25, and this one you should multiply them, it's equal to 125. So this is the answer. And the last example, we have this question, and first one we should solve this part, and like this, 5 times 3, and write 6 plus 5 times 3, it's equal to 15 times 20,000. Okay, then 6 plus 15, it's equal to 21 times 20,000. Okay, and guys, you should write all zeros. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. And this is the answer.